This quick guide will teach you how to create a GitHub Access token. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just dipping your toes into coding, managing access tokens is an essential skill for using GitHub effectively. An access token allows you to authenticate scripts or applications without needing to expose your password. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you want to start by logging into your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your GitHub page. You should see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your GitHub account. Now that you're in the settings, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. This layout menu is where you can navigate to more specific settings. Scroll all the way down until you find an option called Developer Settings. Click on it to proceed. This section is where you can manage applications and tokens, which are crucial for developers who want to integrate GitHub with other tools and services. Once you're in the developer settings, you'll notice that the left menu has expanded with more options. Here, you want to click on Personal Access Tokens. This is the section where you can manage your tokens, which are essentially keys that allow you to access your GitHub data programmatically. After clicking on Personal Access Tokens, you should see another option called Fine-Grained Tokens. Select it to move forward. Now, you're in the right place to create a new token. Look towards the top right of the screen, and you'll find a button labeled Generate New Token. Click on it. This action will initiate the process to create a new access token. You'll need to configure a few parameters for your token to ensure it has the right permissions and expiration settings. When configuring your token parameters, take a moment to think about what you need this token for. You can specify scopes, which are essentially permissions that define what the token can access. For example, if you only need to access repositories, you can limit the token to just that. Fine-tuning these settings is important for maintaining security and ensuring that your token isn't more powerful than it needs to be. Additionally, you can set an expiration date for your token, adding an extra layer of security by ensuring that it doesn't remain active indefinitely. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a GitHub Access token. Remember, tokens are sensitive information, much like passwords, so keep them secure. Never share your token publicly or include it in your code repositories. If you ever suspect that your token has been compromised, you can easily revoke it in the Personal Access Tokens section. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to generate and configure a GitHub Access token. With this knowledge, you can now authenticate your applications securely and manage your GitHub integrations more effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.